Imagine a loved one, their life hanging by a thread, their only hope, a new heart. The anxiety, the fear, the uncertainty. It's a harrowing experience for both the patient and their family. They join a waiting list, a queue that grows longer every day. Each name on that list represents a person, a story, a life waiting to be saved. The clock is ticking and the agonizing wait begins. Every second feels like an eternity, as they hope for a miracle that might never come. This is the harsh reality for thousands worldwide, desperately hoping for a life-saving organ transplant. The emotional toll is immense, affecting not just the patients but their loved ones as well. The demand for organs far outweighs the supply, a heartbreaking imbalance. Doctors and medical staff are constantly faced with the difficult task of prioritizing who gets the next available organ. Every day, people die waiting for a chance at life. The empty hospital beds and grieving families are a stark reminder of the urgency of this issue. But what if we could look beyond human donors? What if science could offer an alternative solution to this dire problem? What if the solution lay not within our species but in the incredible diversity of the animal kingdom? The potential is vast and could revolutionize the field of organ transplantation. This is where xenotransplantation comes in, a daring frontier in medicine that offers a glimmer of hope to those in desperate need. It's a bold step forward, one that could change countless lives and bring new hope to those waiting in the shadows. Xenotransplantation, simply put, is the transplantation of living cells, tissues, or organs from one species to another. It's like a biological swap meet, borrowing from the animal kingdom to address human health challenges. Imagine a world where pig heart valves could replace faulty human ones, or where a diabetic patient could receive insulin-producing cells from a genetically modified animal. Xenotransplantation holds the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering a lifeline to those who might otherwise face a grim prognosis. It's a bold vision, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to push the boundaries of medical science. But like any groundbreaking endeavor, xenotransplantation is not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles in xenotransplantation is the body's natural defense mechanism, the immune system. Our immune system is like a highly trained security force, constantly on the lookout for foreign invaders. It recognizes and attacks anything it perceives as non-self, including organs from other species. This immune response can lead to organ rejection, a serious complication where the body attacks the transplanted organ as if it were a dangerous enemy. Imagine the immune system as a vigilant border patrol, turning away any organism that doesn't have the correct passport. Overcoming this immune barrier is crucial for xenotransplantation to succeed. Another concern with xenotransplantation is the potential transmission of diseases from animals to humans. Animals carry a variety of viruses and bacteria that are harmless to them but could pose a risk to humans. This risk, while small, cannot be ignored. Imagine a virus, hidden within the cells of an animal organ, being inadvertently transmitted to a human recipient during transplantation. This could potentially lead to new and unpredictable diseases, posing a threat not only to the individual but also to public health. Scientists are acutely aware of this risk and are working tirelessly to develop strategies to mitigate it. Section 5. Ethical concerns, balancing human life with animal welfare. Beyond the scientific challenges, xenotransplantation also raises profound ethical questions. Is it right to use animals as organ factories for human benefit? What are the ethical implications of altering the genetic makeup of animals to make their organs more compatible with our own? These are not easy questions to answer. They require careful consideration of animal welfare, the value of life, and our responsibilities to other species. The debate surrounding xenotransplantation is a complex one, requiring a nuanced understanding of both the scientific possibilities and the ethical dilemmas. Section 6. Genetic engineering, customizing organs for compatibility. To overcome the challenge of immune rejection, scientists are turning to the cutting-edge field of genetic engineering. Imagine being able to edit the genetic code of an animal organ, like changing the text in a document, to make it more compatible with the human immune system. That's precisely what scientists are doing. They are modifying the genes of animals like pigs to remove the molecules that trigger the human immune response. These genetically engineered animals could potentially serve as organ donors, their organs less likely to be rejected by the human body. Section 7. Immunosuppressive drugs, lowering the body's defenses. Another approach to prevent organ rejection is the use of immunosuppressive drugs. These medications suppress the immune system, making it less likely to attack the transplanted organ. Think of it as temporarily lowering the body's defenses to allow the new organ to settle in. While immunosuppressive drugs have been a cornerstone of organ transplantation for decades, they come with a downside. They can leave patients vulnerable to infections and other complications. Finding the right balance between suppressing the immune system enough to prevent rejection and not too much to compromise the patient's health is a delicate balancing act. Section 8. Chimeras, blending human and animal cells. In a scene straight out of science fiction, researchers are exploring the creation of chimeras, organisms that contain cells from 2 or more species. Imagine growing a human organ inside an animal, like a pig, using the animal as a living incubator. This mind-boggling concept involves injecting human stem cells into an animal embryo, allowing the human cells to integrate and potentially grow into specific organs. While still in its infancy, this research holds the promise of creating organs that are a perfect match for the recipient, reducing the risk of rejection. Section 9. Promising strides, advancements in xenotransplantation. While xenotransplantation is still in its experimental stages, there have been some remarkable advancements. This field, which involves transplanting animal organs into humans, has seen significant progress in recent years, thanks to cutting-edge research and innovative techniques. Scientists have successfully transplanted pig hearts into baboons, keeping the animals alive for an extended period. These experiments have provided invaluable data on how to manage immune responses and prevent organ rejection, which are critical challenges in xenotransplantation. In a groundbreaking procedure, a genetically modified pig heart was transplanted into a human patient with terminal heart disease, offering a glimmer of hope and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This milestone has opened new avenues for treating patients who are in dire need of organ transplants but face long waiting lists. These successes, while preliminary, are incredibly encouraging. They signify not just a medical breakthrough, but also a potential paradigm shift in how we approach organ transplantation. They demonstrate the potential of xenotransplantation to save lives and offer a future where organ shortages are a distant memory. The ability to use animal organs could drastically reduce the waiting time for patients and improve their chances of survival. However, it's important to remember that xenotransplantation is not a magic bullet, and significant research and ethical considerations are still needed. Issues such as cross-species disease transmission, long-term viability of transplanted organs, and the ethical treatment of donor animals must be thoroughly addressed before this can become a widespread medical practice. Section 10. A responsible future. Ethical considerations in xenotransplantation. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of xenotransplantation, it's crucial to proceed with caution and a deep sense of responsibility. We must carefully weigh the potential benefits against the ethical implications, ensuring that animal welfare is paramount. Open and transparent discussions about the ethics of using animals for human organ transplantation are essential. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent the exploitation of animals and ensure that any research is conducted ethically and humanely. Section 11. A New Dawn, the potential of xenotransplantation. Xenotransplantation represents a bold frontier in medicine, a field that has the potential to revolutionize how we approach organ transplants. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our unwavering pursuit of solutions to complex medical challenges. The idea of using animal organs to save human lives is not just science fiction, it is becoming a reality. It offers a glimmer of hope to those awaiting life-saving transplants, providing an alternative when human organs are not available. Imagine a future where no one has to wait endlessly for a donor. A future where organ shortages are a relic of the past, and every patient in need can receive timely treatment. This could drastically reduce the number of deaths due to organ failure. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the animal kingdom and push the boundaries of scientific innovation, the possibilities seem endless. Researchers are making strides in genetic engineering to make animal organs more compatible with human bodies. Xenotransplantation holds the potential to transform medicine, offering new avenues for treatment and extending the lives of countless individuals. The advancements in this field could lead to breakthroughs in other areas of medical science as well. But this journey must be navigated with care, guided by ethical considerations and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living beings. The ethical implications are vast and complex. Guided by ethical considerations and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living beings, we must ensure that the benefits outweigh the risks. Collaboration among scientists, ethicists, and policymakers is crucial. What are your thoughts on the ethical considerations of xenotransplantation? This is a question that invites deep reflection and diverse perspectives. Do the potential benefits outweigh the risks? As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is essential to weigh the promise of medical advancements against the moral and ethical challenges they present.